Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the QWinOut frame kit, specifically the Fi-100 EVO version designed for 2-inch propellers. This is a toothpick-style frame kit, which means it's built for lightweight, agile performance, perfect for navigating tight spaces or enjoying smooth, cinematic flights in smaller areas. The frame is constructed from 3K carbon fiber. This material is a standard in the FPV world for good reason. It offers an excellent balance of strength and weight. For a small frame like this, keeping the weight down is crucial for performance and flight time, and the carbon fiber construction helps achieve that while still providing durability against minor crashes. The 3K weave indicates a high-quality finish and structural integrity. The Fi-100 EVO boasts a compact 100mm wheelbase. This short wheelbase is what makes it ideal for 2-inch propellers, allowing for a very small overall footprint. This size class is fantastic for flying indoors or in confined outdoor environments where larger drones simply can't go. It's designed to be nimble and responsive, characteristic of the toothpick style. When it comes to power, the Fi-100 EVO frame is compatible with a range of small brushless motors. Builders can choose from 1103, 1104, 1204, or 1206 size motors. This flexibility allows pilots to tailor the build to their specific needs, whether prioritizing efficiency with smaller motors or seeking more punch with the slightly larger options. The motor mounting patterns should accommodate these standard sizes easily. A significant feature of this particular frame kit is its compatibility with the O3 Air unit. The O3 Air unit is known for providing high-quality digital video transmission, and integrating it into a small, lightweight toothpick frame like the Fi-100 EVO opens up possibilities for capturing stunning footage from places previously inaccessible to larger O3-equipped drones. The frame likely includes mounting provisions specifically designed to house the O3 unit and its camera securely. This makes it an excellent platform for those looking to build a high-definition micro-cineoscope or a versatile small freestyle rig. Overall, the QWinOut Fi-100 EVO 2-inch frame kit presents itself as a solid foundation for a high-performance, lightweight FPV drone. Its 3K carbon fiber construction promises durability. The 100mm wheelbase is perfect for 2-inch props and tight maneuvers, and the motor compatibility offers build flexibility. The standout feature is undoubtedly its support for the O3 Air unit, making it a compelling choice for pilots who demand top-tier video quality in a small package. Builders looking to create a nimble, HD-capable micro-drone will find this frame kit to be a very attractive option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.